Hi, if you're watching this video, I will be sharing with you exactly step-by-step framework that I'm personally using to make sales with manifestation products, promoting them on Clickbank. So basically, what is manifestation niche? Manifestation niche is a self-help niche. If you know influencers like, for example, Bob Proctor or Tony Robbins, they are making billions of dollars, not only millions, but billions of dollars in sales with self-help products. Now people are spending crazy amounts of money on self-help. You can go on Google and see how much money are people spending on ebooks, on seminars, on self-improvement courses. You have courses out there that cost all the way up to 100 or 200,000 euros. That's right, 200,000 euros per person to go on a 7-day seminar or course. So coachings and stuff like that, it's really big niche. Now if you stay until the end of this video, I will be sharing with you exactly the page that I'm personally using to generate sales. So now let's have a look over here. Let's do the math. If you have one sale a day, right, for let's say offer on Clickbank in law of attraction manifestation niche that costs $150, at the end of the month, you are making $4,500 per month with only one sale that is happening through your website. Now let's do the math. Let's say you're only getting 2 sales per day. 2 sales for $150. So you are not doing anything. You are not talking to anyone. You are not convincing people to buy from you. You are not using Facebook. You are not using YouTube. And you are not using Instagram. You're using only website and paid traffic. So you have 2 sales a day. That's $9,000 per month. Now what you could do with extra, let's say $4,000 or $9,000 every single month. Now let me show you what kind of website I'm using. Let me go over here and I will share with you exactly the page that I'm using. So you can see over here, I'm on WordPress. Now WordPress is one of these magic tools for me. Why? Because it's really cheap, it's efficient, and it's really powerful. You also separate yourself from the rest of affiliate marketers. Why? Because as you know, if you buy any course from these Clickbank gurus, everyone is saying use ClickFunnels. Now ClickFunnels, nothing wrong with ClickFunnels, right? It's just another funnels. But you don't have any leverage. You don't have any advantage from the rest of the people who are using the same freaking pages, right? So as you know, lots of Clickbank gurus who are creating these courses, they're also making money off of you buying these courses and also using these softwares. They're really smart guys. They make you to buy the course and then they also make money from you using the software that they are promoting inside the course. So they're making additional profits. Now you don't have to use those expensive tools. You don't have to use any ClickFunnels or Frankenstein funnels whatsoever. So you can use something as simple as WordPress. You see over here, I have a blog post. Basically, it's an article-based landing page. Now, first of all, what is here? You can see 3 powerful ways to attract wealth or let's say happiness in your life. Now, what is this? This is the headline. It's called headline for a reason because it's the first thing that catches the attention. Now, it's really great way. It's kind of an advertorial. Now, what I mean by that is it's kind of a sales page or ad disguised as an article. So basically people will click, let's say from the Google, if you're targeting different keywords, they will click on this site, right? So once they see this, they will see the first headline. Okay, 3 powerful ways to attract wealth in your life. Now this gets their attention, right? It gets their attention. Now you can see over here, this is the main paragraph or text. Michael, a husband and a father of 2, and it's in his early 50s, was a logistic manager at a frozen foods company, blah, 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 blah. Right? This is story, right? So you can see over here after this, you can see there is the option, learn how to force the universe to manifest your dream life. Click here. So what is this? This is called call to action. So basically, when a visitor to your website scrolls through your page, when they are reading, when they are absorbed into the story of the individual, they will be able to click on the call to action link. So basically there is no product. You see, there is no sales pitch. There is no add to cart right now or buy this, buy that. There is nothing of that shit. There is only nice story of a individual with a problem, and then during his story, right? Because people love stories, right? They love story. That's why it's called storytelling or story selling. So you can see over here, learn how to force the universe, right? This is call to action. So once the person clicks on that, they will be redirected to the affiliate link, basically Clickbank option to buy the product. So what is here on the right side? You see, this is called the banner ad. The lazy person's secret to get everything you ever wished for, right? So you see, when a person sees that, they're going to be curious, okay, what is that? So what they're going to do is they're going to click on this link. So they're going to click on that image, basically on the banner ad. And what's going to happen? They're obviously going over to the next website, to the Clickbank vendor page where they can purchase the product. And you as an affiliate, you get 90% commission. So you see how this magically works? You see, can you now begin to understand how this works? So because you can see over here, it's nothing hard, but it's something that you have to understand is psychology behind it. 99% of marketing is psychology applied. So basically, everything what we do is psychology in action. And if you understand that, it's not about the product that you're promoting, but it's about the individual with the problem. It's about the people out there who are having problem or who just want solution to their problems, right? So we are just a middleman offering them a solution so they can just purchase our product, right? And again, let me share with you over here on this page. You see, let's say that you're promoting a low attraction offer, right? So if you're promoting it with Google Ads, for example, Google PPC, Google pay-per-click, you have different keywords. So some of them, those keywords are following: how to make low attraction work, or how to make secret work, how the law of attraction works, the power of the law of attraction, manifesting law of attraction tips, the best law of attraction book, the key to the law of attraction, right? Those are many keywords that you can use and create a campaign. Now, if you would like to know exactly how to do it step by step, because believe me, it's not that simple, but it's easy. It's simple, but you have to know exactly how to put this framework step by step. You cannot just copy it and throw it out there and hope it's going to work. It does not work like that, right? Because then everyone would be getting sales with Clickbank. So it's really important that you understand its psychology applied behind the ad, behind the targeting, and behind the landing page. Landing page, it's called pre-sale page for a reason. You see, a stranger, a cold traffic comes to your site. They don't know about your product. They don't know about your offer, and they don't know who you are, right? They see your website, and once they come to your website, they buy. So what happens? You know, there is something obviously happening. In the middle, on your landing page, right, you will usually have a story or a VSL. So video sales letter, right? So video sales letters are expensive for a reason, right? Those copywriters are making really successful sales message, story selling in their videos. So this is what does the selling and telling for you. So you are not the salesman, you are not the person convincing another person or persuading them to buy from you, right? But the website does all the selling and telling for you. It's, for example, like Jeff Bezos, right? He is the owner of Amazon. He doesn't have to go on Instagram and promote his stores, right? He doesn't have to go and convince people to buy products from him, right? All the job is done through the website, right? If I want something from Amazon today, I don't have to go and type to Jeff Bezos, can I purchase from you, right? I go straight to Amazon.com and I can buy whatever product I want from the website. I don't know the man himself, but I can see his website and I can purchase from a website, right? So this is how it works. You don't have to be the face in front of the camera like me right now. You don't have to be even on your website. You can use the models. You don't have to put your own face and your own name out there. So it's totally underground, behind the scenes. So if you would like to know exactly how to make it work, below this video, you will find links to my social media accounts, my email, my Instagram, my Facebook, and of course my WhatsApp, where we can connect one-on-one. And if you have any questions, you can DM me. Now you see, most of gurus will not allow you to have a personal connection with them. They will not give you their Skype, they will not give you their Facebook. Why? Because they are behind the scenes, right? So if you want to have that personal relationship, let me know below this video. If you have any questions, let me know. You have option to add me. You see over here on my phone, you can see my Instagram account. Over here, you can switch over. Below this video are going to be links, and you can add me on my Instagram account. So if you're not using Instagram, you can use also my email. So please, before you leave this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this. And again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.